everyone, my name is Shayantika and my letter is to the homophobic man. Dear homophobic man, I love you. I love you because I know it's my love that you love to hate. I love you because of that time in 7th grade, that time when you told me I'm a sinner, worse off than a witch practitioner. Told me it was wrong for me to love a girl. Well, guess what? I kiss a girl and it makes my toes curl. It felt so right, it felt so wrong. Yes, right now I'm quoting a Katy Perry song to make you understand my plight. No, I'm not. I'm just showing you love. This is not a fight. Dear homophobic man, I love you. I love you and know my love life isn't pornography for your vicarious thrill just to be put on reel and condemned in reality, because that is the level of your hypocrisy. Dear homophobic man, I love you. I love you and no, I don't need a man, and please don't ask me what you can't do and she can. It's not a competition, you see. This is not a choice for me. Choosing her over you, it's not an anomaly, not an aberration or nature's infarction. It's just how it is and how it'll be. So suck it up, because you aren't getting it.